Consequently, you wish to trade stocks that are, for instance, listed on NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange. If you want to invest in US-based stocks but are not a US citizen or don't even live in the US, I've got you covered because I've done some research on the top brokers who accept both US visa holders and non-US citizens in general. Here is a list of a few brokers who will work with you, along with details like any fees or countries they won't take. So let's get started. Most reputable brokers would likely let you open an account if you have a US visa other than a visitor visa and an address in the US. Even though it could take a little longer and you might need to call the broker rather than just fill out an online form, you will still get your account approved unless the broker clearly states that they really don't want any kind of foreigners, which is fairly uncommon to find. There are a few brokers that I am certain will approve us if we are individuals with US visas who reside in the US. Webull is one of them that offers 2 free stocks in exchange for your account opening and an investment of up to $100. What if you don't have a US visa and don't even live in the US? There are still brokers that you may use, such as Charles Schwab, which offers a $100 incentive if you deposit at least $1,000 into your account. There are a few brokers nonetheless who will deal with certain countries without a US visa or social security number. Of course, this video is just the beginning of your investigation. You may also need to visit their websites, read their terms and conditions, and determine which nations may be acceptable. Clearly, both their policies and the allowed nationalities are always subject to modification. Let's get right to the list of brokers I've uncovered that accept many different countries without even a social security number after saying that. Stobo Trade is the first item on the list. Stobo Trade charges commissions for trading, which is why I've never used them personally. When I first started trading, practically all brokers used to impose a fixed commission, perhaps $5 or $10 on every transaction. The majority of brokers now have eliminated those fees, but Stobo Trade is one of the rare instances I've ever seen that maintains these commissions. The truth is that every stock trade you make on Stobo Trade will cost you $2.88 in commission, and your minimum purchase amount must be over $100 for any stocks valued less than $100. This broker is not for you if you want to invest in stocks but have a really extremely tight budget. They do, however, allow a variety of individuals who are not required to obtain a social security number. They welcome many immigrants from Latin America, with the noteworthy exceptions being Mexico, Canada, Colombia, and Venezuela. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about investing. Let's return to the video. Next on the list is Interactive Brokers, a Canadian company. In terms of quality, Interactive Brokers is actually top-notch. Their platforms are quite user-friendly, and you may use a variety of tools that they provide. Brokers impose a fee of $0.005 per stock and brokerage interaction. Despite the fact that you can only purchase a maximum of 1% of your total order, this is precisely what makes Interactive Brokers even less accessible to some users. If your account balance is less than $100,000, you won't be charged a fee until you achieve $20 in commission each month. And if it's less than $100,000, you won't be charged until you reach $10 in commission each month. As a result, Interactive Brokers is a terrific tool for people with really high net worths who need to spend a lot of money. The one caveat is that they do in fact accept such a wide range of nationalities that even if other brokers don't accept yours, it is most likely that Interactive Brokers will. Otherwise, for people with small budgets, I feel like commissions and those fees are going to eat away at your money really quickly. Therefore, use prudence depending on your own investing budget and make sure that the costs are not completely depleting your investment fund. The next broker is a top-notch one that I've worked with for many years and truly adore. First Rate welcomes people of a very diverse spectrum of countries. If you're wanting to trade options, they're one of the better platforms I've seen. And registering an account is quite simple. The fact that First Rate is the first broker on this list to offer entirely commission-free trading for both stocks and other items like option contracts is just what we like best about them. They also provide products like IRAs and mutual funds, which you can purchase at your own discretion and come with a variety of terms and conditions. The First Rate platform is a little minimalistic. You won't receive as many research tools, for instance, or as many tiny brokerage add-ons. But you will get trades that are executed very quickly. First Rate has a clear vision of what it wants to become and sets out to achieve it. Furthermore, I already conducted the majority of my research outside of my brokerage, so there is really no incentive for me to utilize First Rate for anything other than buying and selling stocks and options, like all the other brokerages on this list. Recent comprehensive redesigns of the Android and iOS applications have made them one of my favorite trading tools to use, despite the fact that they still lack some of the capabilities they have been demonstrating. I'm excited to see what the app will have to offer perhaps in a few years, with all these updates to their Android and iOS apps that they're eager to improve and add new features. Last but not least is TD Ameritrade, unquestionably one of the best known and longest running brokers available. TD Ameritrade is a powerhouse that offers a ton of research tools, lightning fast updates, and speedy trades, all without charging any commissions. They do have some nationality-specific exceptions when they will only admit you if you have a specific type of visa. However, TD Ameritrade is a great choice to make if you are eligible for their services. I also use First Rate and TD Ameritrade, and I've been pleased with both of these trading platforms. So if you open an account with one of these, I think you'll be content. You can use TD Ameritrade if you want a more comprehensive package. If you want a simpler package that only introduces you to stock trading, and you want to conduct all of your research elsewhere, which is what I personally advise since you should never rely on just one source, then you can use First Rate. We want individuals to be able to access U.S. markets and invest their money. If you know of any brokers that accept U.S. citizens that I haven't mentioned, please comment below and let me and everyone else viewing this video know about it. It's really worthwhile to know whether it's going to matter to someone. Hope you have learned something from this video. What are your thoughts? Comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more and be more financially literate? Click on the next videos we have in our channel, showing on the screen right now.